Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. This is a video of why I rejoined All-in-One Profits. Of course, I want to take advantage of the residual income, but also the products uh, for your basic level. You're going to get premium web hosting, okay? Control panel features. These are the control panel features, program and database features, email features, okay? Use your own domain. We host unlimited domains for you, or choose an AIOP subdomain. You also have how-to video guide for setting up your hosting account. You have fantastical cPanel built-in site builders to choose from dozens of ready-made templates. Build and promote any business. So if you have any online business that you have, or even offline business, you can promote this with AIOP. And then you also have a Pro Double opt-in autoresponder. One of the things that your AIOP um, basic package has is a Pro Double opt-in autoresponder. How much did you pay for a separate autoresponder service? Here it is free with your AIOP membership. Skyrocket your business with this professional autoresponder service. It's user-friendly, double opt-in, unlimited campaigns, unlimited autoresponders, unlimited follow-ups, unlimited subscribers. You have unlimited subscribers for your autoresponder. You have how-to videos. You have easy unsubscribe links, strict privacy compliant, anti-spam, fully compliant, hosted by AIOP, managing bounce emails, active campaign managers, one-click broadcast, edit test, 99.99% email deliverability, split test, add and remove, tracking undeliverables, removals, edit variables and HTML forms, download and export list, save sign up forms, fully editable and customizable text and HTML editors, cool templates for your newsletter so you can create newsletters. All comes with your basic package for $10 per month. Also, you're going to get AIOP splash and squeeze builders. Your business is the size of your list. Expose your list using our capture page builder. Make and save unlimited splash and capture pages. Video page template available. Awesome graphics, professional, excellent templates. Add images, text, videos, HTML forms, fully customizable. Third-party autoresponders integration. Also, you'll get the AIOP tracker. Time is money. Track your promo results. Advanced link tracker. Shorten your links. You can shorten your links so you can put on some social medias that don't allow these long-tailed links. You're also going to get traffic statistics on, when someone clicks on your link, you'll see how much traffic is going. Traffic geolocation. So when someone clicks on your link, you're going to find out where that person came in from. Traffic source. Quick share social sites. Direct versus referred traffics. And then also you're going to get the click-through rate referred traffics. And then also you're going to get the downline builder. Build your list in multiple programs, add your own programs to the AIP banners, okay? AIP bonus, text and banner advertising, unlimited credits. Then also you have an AIP rotator, promote multiple URLs with a single link, no frame breaker, no pop-up windows. And then also you're going to receive your basic package, the AIOP e-library, your one-stop online marketing resource, hundreds of premium how-to videos, training courses on everything you can imagine about internet marketing, computer training, self-development, network marketing, social marketing, MLM, educational, inspirational, and motivational videos, software, audio, templates, and sales page, articles and emails, training and tips. You get a lot of stuff with your basic package. These are the things that comes with your basic package: blogging, email, article writing, social sites, tips, and software. All these things are available for you. And then you have master resale and resale rights for these articles that you have. So if you want to create um, some additional income, you have resale rights for all these products with your basic package, which is only $10 a month. You can also use Bitcoin for your all-in-one profits, and then you also have these 40 how-to video pack. It's all with your basic package. Competition Killer, Graphics, and Template Plus Suite. These are all, you have the master resale and resale rights for that. Okay. Everything above and more to come is included in the basic membership at $10 a month, plus that $1 if it's processing. Okay. So with your all-in-one profits, you are compensated bi-weekly. So let's go to the pay plan. Okay. So all-in-one profits is your one-stop solution to achieve success with a simple, realistic, affordable, and lucrative combination of essential online tools and unique pay plan. Build, learn while you earn 100% commissions, unlimited residual income. So you get a residual income joining all-in-one profits. And the pay plan works like this. You get, so when you recruit, you'll get your, so one person join, you get that person, then the second one goes up to your upline. So you get 1, 3, 5, 7, and you'll pass every even referral up. And then it trickles down. So when the person who's underneath you, their even comes to you, and it trickles down to um, infinity. All right, so this is how the pay plan works. If you want to get a description of how the pay plan works, I'm going to put a link in the description box below. It'll give you the full details of the pay plan with all-in-one profits. All right, so remember the basic level. You get all this great information at the basic level for $10 per month. Remember, you get an autoresponder, you get web hosting, but most importantly, you get a residual income each and every month. All right, and if you want to see how the pay plan works, go ahead and go to the description box below, and then go ahead and click to join. There are many payment options available when you want to join. I will show you that. Let's go to the top. So when you click join, it's going to ask you for your information. Just remember that I'm the one that's referring you. So you'll be able to see my information as Agent Don. Okay. So go ahead and click on the join button. I will see you on the other side of success. Have a great day. Thank you.